The rhythm of love in the heart of the Congo. In the heart of the Congo, in a village by the great river, lived a young man named Bemba. Bemba was a skilled drummer, known throughout the village for his ability to make the drums speak with emotion. During a cultural festival, navigating familial expectations and embarking on a quest to prove their devotion, ultimately leading to a union that celebrates their deep connection. In the same village lived a beautiful woman named Kavira. Kavira was a dancer, her movements as fluid and graceful as the river itself. Her dances told stories of the Congo, its people, and their history. Their paths crossed during the annual Festival of the Ancestors, a significant cultural event in the Congo. Bemba was captivated by Kavira's grace and beauty, while Kavira was drawn to the passion and rhythm in Bemba's drumming. They danced together under the moonlight, their hearts beating in sync with the rhythm of the drums. As time passed, their fondness for each other grew. Bemba would play his drums for Kavira every evening, and Kavira would dance to his rhythm, their performances becoming a daily spectacle for the villagers. However, their love was tested when a wealthy trader from a neighboring village sought Kavira's hand in marriage. Torn between her love for Bemba and her family's wishes, Kavira found herself at a crossroads. Seeing Kavira's dilemma, Bemba decided to embark on a journey to find the legendary river pearl, a symbol of prosperity and good fortune in Congolese folklore. He believed that by presenting the river pearl to Kavira's family, he could prove his worth and ask for her hand in marriage, ultimately leading to a union that celebrates their deep connection. After a perilous journey, Bemba returned to the village with the river pearl. The villagers were in awe, and Kavira's family finally gave their blessings. Bemba and Kavira were united in a grand marriage ceremony, their love story echoing through the Congo, reminding everyone of the power of love.